had two life experiences that led to me practicing law. When I was in high school, I had a friend who needed to use the computer for a project. As I was leaving, I noticed a police officer following me from his house. He eventually told me that he pulled me over for running a stop sign, which I knew at the time didn't exist at that spot. Took me out of the car, frisked me, put me in handcuffs, put me in the back of his car. My senior year of high school, I was robbed at gunpoint. What I thought was a student that we didn't know came up to me. He showed me a gun in his waistband. Those two experiences in particular gave me a certain view of the justice system that I felt like I could help improve upon as an attorney. My experience can help my clients because I've been through a lot of the same things that they have. I know what it's like to be treated unfairly. I know what it's like to be fearful when you see blue lights behind you. There's way too much injustice and unfairness. Most employment and labor law is federal law. Where there is a state law, it usually is a version of that same federal law. And so we find ourselves practicing in federal court a lot. I'm barred in both South Carolina and North Carolina, and they are in the 4th Circuit of federal courts. We also practice in Georgia, which is in the 11th Circuit. They're very different circuits. It's good to practice in both. The biggest lesson I've learned from working with Tanya is there's no such thing as too big a case. I want my clients to have a fair shot at anything they do. And my way of doing that is by practicing law. I can make any changes necessary or pave a path for them to be happy, successful people.